Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life, and today is Merry Monday full of minis, or Merry Monday minis, or Merry Mini Mondays, whichever you prefer. So I have my little bow on my little box for all my goodies. I got a new dice tower because I think why Tina wasn't cooperating is she needed something pretty and sparkly. So it's a double-sided staircase, so dice goes down here and on the other side. So it's really for Dungeons and Dragons, so it's like for you and then the Dungeon Master on the other side. But really it's just for Tina, so she can go down a gorgeous set of stairs and hopefully be more cooperative. So I have that. I have one more thing coming. I hope it'll be here for Tinsel Tiny Tuesday, so fingers crossed on that. But I have $38, so let's count it because we all know what's been going on with my counting lately. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, and 38. So I will do as much as I can with the ones, and hopefully we can condense, or I'll just get change from somewhere. So I am going to set up my minis. So my very first one is Norella's Budgets. She has this super cute freebie, Merry Christmas in July. Love it. So let's see. What is happening? Okay, so that can go in the one spot. And then Roll and Save will go in the second one. That is Becca Budgets 777. I think this was a freebie in one of my orders. And then this is Financial Dreams with Christine. So hopefully we can finish this one up, and I'll put that in the 4 spot. I have some of my other Christmas ones off to the side. So this is a collab between Nabby's Cash Life and the Traditional Dollar, otherwise known as TTD. I finished Nabby's, so now I'm working on TTD, and we have, let's see, 6 more letters to go. So I'll put that in the 6th spot. And then I'm getting ready to start Becca Budgets 777, so same one as this. She's doing a collab with Budget with Tiffany, and on their road to 500. So they're doing a fun collaboration, and it started in July. They each have adorable Christmas themed minis, and I have Tiffany's Meowie Christmas in my Christmas binder. So if you come to my live on Thursday, you'll see me play that. And so this is Becca's, so I'll start this tonight. I'll put this in the 5 spot, and then Saving with Sam, hopefully I can finish up my Oculus Reparo and add in another holiday one. Okay, so I'm touching things. Here, we'll have the little bow in the frame. Okay, everything is there. I'm very excited to use my new dice tower. I hope Tina likes it. Okay, so, oh, money. I'll just grab the whole stack. What was it, like $18, I think? No, it doesn't matter. Okay, so let's go. Ooh, that's nice. So 2 is going into Becca Budgets, her collab with Tiffany. Oh my god, I love this dice tower. Look at that. I think she does too. Was that 6? Crap. Ah. Oh my gosh, I'm not paying attention. 6, that is 6. I said it, so I think it had to have been it. 4. 4. 5. Okay, there's a whole top row. 5. 6. Okay, top row. 2, there we go. Oops. I should have taken that one. Oh, there it is. 1, And then I only have $1 left. So let's see what we can condense. Since the bottom row got $1 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3. Put this 5 there. I don't think this one. So I got 4. What about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's all we can do. Okay. So we will start again. 4. That's a 3. Yay! Yay! I love it when everything gets something. 1. Lightning. 4. And 5. So I have one more 1 and one more 5. So let's see what we can do. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right there. All right, so that one got 10 already. We are on our last bunch of money. 4. 1. Last roll. 4. Wow. Sorry, top row. Guess they didn't want me to bring in Christmas in July. Okay, so let's stack up what we got. And I will start with Merry Christmas in July from Norella's Budgets. I think she goes by Nori, and she is just kicking butt with her Etsy and new YouTube channel and just so supportive. So if you haven't yet, I would love for you to go check her channel out. She's super awesome and really fun to watch, really informative, has a lot of freebies on her site, on her channel, and also gives you more places to find freebies. So she's just a real asset. So Merry Christmas in July. I made everything $1. We're adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're getting there. Let's see, where's my bucket? All right, love it. Okay, next one is Financial Dreams with Christine. This is a freebie on her site. Savor the flavor of watermelon this summer. So it's red, so I feel like it's a little Christmassy. So we needed $2 for $6. Looks like we got it. So at least we can bring in one Christmas challenge, which I'm excited about. I also see that this is in our future. Okay, so let's see what we got today for Savor the Flavor of Watermelon this summer. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow. All right, so we only need half of that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I'm going to set that 6 there for a second. Put these all together. I'm going to do a little coloring real fast, and then we'll ring that bell. Yay. All right, we'll count it and then ring the bell. All right, so we've got 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Awesome. I don't have this going anywhere, so that means it'll either be debt or the randomizer. So we'll add our little red paper clip, ring the bell. Yay. All right, I'm just going to put that off to the side here. And then now we get to choose which, out of all the millions of challenges, I think I'm going to bring in, oh geez, Bookish Mama Budgets. I think I'm going to bring in the Santa and the surfboard, even though the Santa doing yoga, this is more Christmas in July. And then some other ones I got were Our Beautiful Budgets. She has these really cute, I believe these were freebies. And I just printed those out. And then these are some of mine that I have on my site. And my sale is still going on through tonight at midnight if you're watching this on Monday. And if you're not watching this on Monday, don't worry, I'll probably have another sale soon because they're fun. Okay, so I am going to make each surfboard. We have $6. I want to get through others. I'm going to make every one of them $1. That way we can kind of get through some of these challenges. You get to see how cute they are. And I also get to use other ones. So this is Bookish Mama Budgets. This is for sale as a printable on her website. And I am going to do each surfboard is $2. And let's see. I don't know why I said that because that's not true. I want them each surfboard to be $1. All right, so we have 6 surfboards and $6. Awesome. I didn't do the greatest coloring, but I wanted the red and the green. Up next, we have Becca Budget 777. This was a freebie in one of my orders, and I only got $2 today. So we are going to keep this one around, and that is okay. So we'll add that too. And this one has 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. We will work on that next week, hopefully finish it then. So then we have $2, one shy of finishing. That's okay. So I am just going to do all right, one more for next week. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this will be $10 when we're done. And then let's see. We have All I Want for Christmas is my 2 front teeth. I made each one of the little teeth $5, so we get to do 2 rows here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Halfway there. So cute. So that one goes there, and then let's see what we're adding. Oh, 6, that's what we needed. 2, 4, 6. Yay! Yay, yay, yay. So we get to finish this. Let's see. I'm going to bring in Our Beautiful Budgets because she made me the cutest Happy Mail in the world. So I appreciate that. And I absolutely love candy canes. I don't love eating them, but I love decorating. I love the red and white look. I love it. So this is super cute. So this is Our Beautiful Budgets. And I will put that up next for finishing this one. All right, so I am going to color. Okay, so with this one, we saved 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, $23. Yay! Woohoo. Okay, so if you aren't following Nabby's Cash Life or the Traditional Dollar, they're on their road to 500 subscribers, and they are both very fun to watch. Let's see. Oh, yeah. So I am going to put a paper clip on this. So we finished 2 challenges today. We got to add some more in, and that's awesome. I'm super excited about that. Let's see if I have. Okay, I have my July completed challenges. We just have a few in here, and I will put this one and this one. So we're getting there for the first week-ish, second week, off to a good start. All right, so let's see. So thank you so much for being here. This is just how pretty is this? It's so pretty. It's so pretty. And then it comes with this. Comes with 2 of these actual, one for one side and one for the other, because it's 4. What is that? Love it so much. Okay. And Tina seems to really respond very well with that. So thank you so much for being here on Merry Mindy Monday. I had so much fun. I had dinosaurs with Christmas sweaters and little snowmen and, Christmas trees and gloves. I thought I liked this one a little bit better. And then this really pretty crystal-like dice tower, and then my dinosaur mat. It's just, again, my personality is very eclectic. So yeah, so thank you so much for being here, and I look forward to seeing you in Tinsel Tiny Tuesday tomorrow. So I hope you have a great rest of your day. Take care. Bye.